Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show how to solve Roblox login or signing something went wrong, please try again later problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Roblox, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage and tap on delete. Go to Play Store. Go to Play Store and click on search bar and search Roblox. Update Roblox app if available Play Store. Go to Roblox and click on next. Now login problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.